Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to install Python step by step. Then we will see how to run your first Python code in IDLE and in VS Code. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to python.org. This is the official Python website. Now click on the Download section. Here, you can download the latest version of Python for your computer. Now click the Download Python button. This will download the Python installer to your computer. If you are installing Python for the first time, this is the file you need. After the download is complete, open the installer. Now the Python setup window will appear. Here, the most important step is this option, Add Python to Path. Make sure to tick this box. After that, click Install Now. Now let's check if Python is installed correctly. Open Command Prompt. Type Python -- version, then press Enter. If Python is installed correctly, you will see the Python version on the screen. That means Python is working properly. Now let's run our first Python code in idle. Open idle from your computer. Now go to File, then click New File. A new editor window will open. First, save your file. Click File, then Save. Choose a location, give your file a name like hello.py, and save it. Now type this code on the screen. Type print, open bracket, quote, hello world, quote, close bracket. Now run the code by clicking Run, then Run Module, or simply press F5. Now you can see the output, Hello World. So this is how to save a file and run Python code in idle. Now let's do the same thing in VS Code. Open VS Code, open the folder where you want to save your Python files, create a new file and save it as hello.py. Now type the same code on the screen. Now open the terminal by clicking Terminal, then New Terminal. In the terminal, type python hello.py. Then press Enter. Now you can see the output Hello World. So this is how to run Python code in VS Code. Now you know how to download Python, install it, and run your first Python code in idle and VS Code. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. In the next video, we will learn the Python print function. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials.